This is my iPhone 15, and on the back you can see I have an ORICO SSD attached to my device. And this one is going to provide extra storage while being held on the MagSafe ring on the back of the iPhone. So this is very convenient to do everything on your device. Transfer files from your iPhone to the SSD and also from the SSD to your MacBook or your iPad. The SSD that I have inside the enclosure can provide 36,000 megabyte per second in reading and also 26,000 megabyte per second in writing. But with this enclosure being 10 gigabyte per second, it is going to provide at most 1000 megabyte per second for reading and writing. So this is very efficient if you do a lot of things with your device. It works on all iPhones that can support USB-C, and this is why I have it here solidly attached to the back of my iPhone, and I can use it this way. I do have other SSDs. They are either too big or of the same size as this one, but they have one thing in common. They do not have MagSafe or magnet on the back in order for me to attach the SSD on the back of the iPhone.